The concept of a tiny house on wheels, FOW, shifts dramatically when infused with the Danish and Norwegian ethos of hygge, transforming the dwelling from a strictly minimalist structure into an authentic sanctuary of profound comfort. Hygge, a deeply rooted cultural term, essentially encapsulates a feeling of convivial contentment and holistic well-being derived from appreciating life's simpler, quieter moments. Within the architectural constraints of a tiny home, this philosophy dictates a deliberate prioritization of comforting elements: abundant warmth, sumptuously soft textures, copious natural illumination, and atmospheric details that cultivate a genuine sense of intimacy and tranquility. Rejecting the cold austerity often associated with tiny living, this style instead favors a deeply soothing color scheme, incorporating earthy tones such as creamy whites, gentle grays, soft pastels, and the inherent beauty of natural timbers. This thoughtful aesthetic is meticulously centered on forging a welcoming, snug cocoon, expertly making the compact area feel limitlessly comfortable and restorative, rather than confining. Such a focused and intentional design approach elevates the structure far beyond a basic shelter, establishing it as a restorative haven that beautifully embodies the principles of simple, joy-filled existence. The inherent serene charm of this unique living space emerges from a meticulous selection of interior details that are designed to harmonize the peacefulness of the natural world with the structure's interior while simultaneously eliminating unnecessary visual clutter. While functionality remains absolutely essential, it is consistently and artfully balanced with an appreciation for aesthetic beauty. Key features contributing to this ambiance include a rustic wood-burning hearth, which provides both literal physical warmth and a psychological feeling of security, alongside strategically positioned, expansive windows engineered to maximize daylight penetration and frame inspiring views of the exterior landscape. The rustic character is often enhanced by the inclusion of exposed, richly textured, or reclaimed wooden beams. Storage solutions are not merely utilitarian but are seamlessly integrated into the overall design. Envision sophisticated built-in shelving dedicated to cherished books or ingenious cabinetry subtly concealed behind elegant, plain paneling. Textiles are utterly vital, playing a central role with items such as luxurious chunky throw blankets, invitingly plush area rugs, and fine, soft linen bedding that actively encourage deep relaxation. Finally, the chosen lighting scheme is purposefully low-key and atmospheric, depending on the gentle glow of decorative string lights, scattered candles, and warm-hued fixtures instead of stark overhead illumination, collectively fostering an intensely peaceful, unhurried, and deeply relaxing atmosphere. The compelling integration of the tiny house on wheels, the FOW, form with the guiding principles of hygge and serenity signals a profound commitment to a highly intentional lifestyle. The very characteristic of being mobile grants a crucial dimension of flexibility and independence, enabling the inhabitants to relocate to diverse environments that amplify their feelings of inner calm, whether that means settling momentarily beside a glassy, silent lake or positioning the home within a deep, hushed forest in winter. This creation is fundamentally more than just a place to live. It stands as a mobile, conscious declaration against the excesses of modern consumerism, resolutely embracing lasting quality over sheer quantity. Consequently, every single possession within the confined space must genuinely justify its presence, with preference given only to items that actively contribute joy, comfort, or genuine utility. The exterior space is thoughtfully treated as a natural extension of the serene interior, often featuring a compact deck furnished with simple, cozy seating, containers filled with vibrant greenery, and perhaps a small, inviting fire pit. Ultimately, this specific iteration of a tiny house on wheels, defined by its hygge vibes and serene charm, serves as a masterfully crafted vessel perfectly suited for a life that is lived slowly, with clear deliberation and with an unwavering, central focus on personal well-being and the appreciation of life's most elemental joys. When the practical framework of a tiny house on wheels, FOW, is purposefully imbued with the cherished Scandinavian concept of hygge, its entire character undergoes a profound transformation, evolving from a basic, utilitarian structure into an exquisitely authentic haven of deep, abiding comfort. This philosophy, hygge, is a vital cultural touchstone in Denmark and Norway, beautifully encompassing the profound sense of ease, communal warmth, and pervasive holistic contentment that one derives from savoring life's more humble and quiet experiences. Consequently, within the precise architectural boundaries of a tiny home, this guiding principle mandates a devoted focus on elements that provide solace, an overwhelming sense of warmth, the luxurious sensation of sumptuous, layered textiles, an abundance of natural illumination, and meticulously chosen details designed to cultivate genuine intimacy and tranquil repose, completely eschewing the severe, stark aesthetic often synonymous with small-space living. This distinct style instead champions a highly restorative palette of colors, expertly incorporating the subtle richness of creamy whites, understated earthen tones, soothing pastels, and the innate grounding texture of natural woods. This deeply considered aesthetic is entirely dedicated to fabricating a welcoming, protective enclosure, skillfully allowing the inherently limited area to feel boundless in its comfort and ability to restore the spirit, rather than physically restrictive. Such a precise and highly intentional design methodology distinctly elevates the building beyond a mere place of shelter, firmly establishing it as a restorative, peaceful sanctuary that perfectly exemplifies the tenets of a fulfilling, simple, and joy-centric life. The tangible serene charm emanating from this distinctive mobile dwelling arises from a deliberate and meticulous curation of every internal detail, ensuring a seamless visual and sensory connection between the tranquility of the external world and the structure's inner life, while simultaneously guaranteeing the complete absence of unnecessary visual noise or clutter. Although absolute functionality remains the undisputed foundation, this necessity is consistently and gracefully counterbalanced by a deep inherent appreciation for elegant aesthetic quality. Core elements that amplify this peaceful ambiance include a charismatic wood-burning fireplace, which serves as an essential, primal source of both physical warmth and psychological security, complemented by strategically expansive panes of glass deliberately situated to maximize the ingress of daylight and beautifully frame the captivating external vistas. The dwelling's inherent rustic identity is frequently enhanced by incorporating visible structural elements, such as richly textured or salvaged wooden support beams. Solutions for storage transcend simple utility. They are flawlessly integrated into the overall design. Imagine sophisticated runs of custom-built shelving proudly displaying cherished literary collections, or ingenious, concealed cabinetry masked behind elegant, unassuming wall paneling. Textiles assume a profoundly central role, acting as primary agents of comfort. Through the presence of luxurious, heavy knit throws, deeply inviting area rugs, and fine, soft linen bedding that actively encourage a state of deep, immediate relaxation. Finally, the chosen illumination is purposefully subdued and atmospheric, relying on the gentle, layered glow of decorative accent lights, scattered candlelight, and fixtures casting a warm-toned light instead of any jarring overhead brightness, collectively nurturing an environment that feels profoundly peaceful, gloriously unhurried, and perfectly conducive to relaxation. The powerful convergence of the tiny house on wheels (FV) format with the guiding philosophies of profound comfort, hygge, and deep stillness, serenity, signifies an unequivocal dedication to an exceptionally intentional and mindful way of life. Crucially, the home's very mobility introduces a transformative layer of autonomy and crucial independence, affording the occupants the singular ability to pursue and settle in diverse natural environments that actively reinforce their sense of inner calm, be it temporarily anchored alongside a shimmering, placid lake or securely nestled within the deep, silent stillness of a snow-covered winter forest.